Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook name on desktop. It's really easy to do, so let's get started. First, open your browser. Go to facebook.com and log into your account. Once you're in, click your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. Now, on the left side of the screen, click Account Center. Inside Account Center, you'll see an option called Profiles Manage your profile info and use the same info across Facebook, Instagram, and Meta Horizon. Add more profiles by adding your account. Go ahead and click on that. Next, select your Facebook profile name and then click Name to edit it. Here, you can type in your new first, middle, and last name exactly how you want it to appear. Once you've done that, click Review Change. Choose how your name will be displayed, and then enter your password. Finally, click Save Changes to confirm your new name. Just remember, if you change your name, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days, so make sure it's correct before saving. Also, avoid using any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words, or Facebook might reject the change. And that's it. You've just learned how to change your Facebook name on desktop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more simple tech tutorials.